Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best mini drones of 2023. These drones are all lightweight and portable, making them perfect for travel and everyday use. They also all have great features for capturing stunning aerial footage. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More Combo is a great option for beginners who want a lightweight and easy-to-use drone that can still capture great footage. It weighs less than 249 grams, so it doesn't require registration in most countries. It also has a 31-minute flight time, which is plenty for most casual users. The drone comes with a 12MP camera that can shoot 4K video at 30 fps or 1080p video at 60 fps. It also has a variety of intelligent flight modes, such as quick shots, which can automatically create stunning aerial videos with just a few taps. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, a shoulder bag, a propeller guard, and a propeller holder. This gives you everything you need to get started flying the drone, and it also extends your flight time to a total of 93 minutes. Here are some of the pros and cons of the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo. Pros: lightweight and portable, long flight time, great camera, variety of intelligent flight modes. Affordable. Cons: number 4K video at 60 fps, limited smart modes, controller not as advanced as the DJI Mini 2. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo is a great option for beginners who want a lightweight and easy-to-use drone that can still capture great footage. It's also a good value for the price. Here are some additional things to consider when deciding whether or not to buy the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo. Your experience level. If you're a beginner, the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo is a great option. It's easy to fly and has a variety of intelligent flight modes to help you create great shots. Your budget. The DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More combo is not the cheapest drone on the market, but it's a good value for the price. If you're looking for a more affordable option, you may want to consider. Number 4. The RizTech Telo Boost combo is a mini drone that is perfect for beginners and kids. It is easy to fly and has a number of features that make it fun to use, including a 5MP camera that can take high-quality photos and videos, 720p HD video transmission, a flight time of up to 13 minutes, 2 antennas for extra stable video transmission, a variety of S-shots that let you create professional-looking videos with just one tap, the ability to be programmed using Scratch, a visual programming language. The Telo Boost combo also comes with a number of accessories, including 3 batteries, a 3 battery charging hub, 2 extra pairs of propellers, a carrying case. This makes it the perfect package for anyone who wants to get started with drones. It is affordable, easy to use, and has a lot of features that make it fun to fly. Here are some of the pros and cons of the RizTech Telo Boost combo. Pros: easy to fly, affordable, a number of features that make it fun to use, long flight time, high quality camera, can be programmed using Scratch. Cons: not as durable as some other drones, range is limited to 100 meters. Not suitable for flying in windy conditions. Overall, the RizTech Telo Boost combo is a great drone for beginners and kids. It is easy to fly, has a number of features that make it fun to use, and is affordable. If you are looking for a drone to get started with, the Telo Boost combo is a great option. Here are some additional details about the Telo Boost combo. It weighs 87 grams and has a dimension of 98 x 92.5 x 41 millimeters. It has a top speed of 8 meters per second and a maximum transmission distance of 100 meters. The battery takes about 50 minutes to fully charge and can provide up to 13 minutes of flight time. It is compatible with the Telo app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. The Telo app allows you to control the drone, view the live feed from the camera, and take photos and videos. The Telo app. Number 3. The Auto Robotics Evo Nano Plus Premium Bundle is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile mini drone. It weighs just 249 grams, so it is exempt from FAA registration requirements in the United States. It has a 4K RYYB camera with a 1.28-inch CMOS sensor, which can take stunning photos and videos in even low light conditions. It also has a PDAF plus CDAF autofocus system that ensures sharp images and videos even when tracking moving subjects. The drone has three-way obstacle avoidance sensors, so you can fly it safely even in crowded or complex environments. It also has a long flight time of up to 30 minutes. So you can capture more footage on a single battery charge. The premium bundle includes everything you need to get started with your new drone, including the Evo Nano Plus drone, 2 batteries, a battery charger, a carrying case, a remote controller, a spare propeller set, a 64 GB South Dakota card. The Evo Nano Plus Premium Bundle is a great value for money and is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile mini drone. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Auto Robotics Evo Nano Plus Premium Bundle. Pros: lightweight, 249 grams. And exempt from FAA registration requirements in the United States. Powerful 4K RYYB camera with 1.28-inch CMOS sensor, PDAF plus CDAF autofocus system, 3-way obstacle avoidance sensors, long flight time of up to 30 minutes. All the accessories you need to get started included in the bundle. Cons: the price is a bit high. The camera does not have 10-bit video recording. The remote controller is not as comfortable to hold as the DJI Mini 3 Pro remote controller. Overall, the Auto Robotics Evo Nano Plus Premium Bundle is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile mini drone. It is lightweight. Number 2, the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo is a great choice for beginners and experienced drone pilots alike who want to get the most out of their FPV flying experience. It comes with everything you need to get started, including the Avata drone, DJI FPV goggles V2, DJI motion controller, and a carrying case. The Avata drone is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry and maneuver. It has a built-in propeller guard to protect people and property from accidental contact, and it can fly for up to 18 minutes on a single battery. The camera shoots 4K video at 60 FPS with a super wide 155 degrees FOV, so you can capture stunning aerial footage from any angle. The DJI FPV goggles V2 provide an immersive, first-person view of your flight. They have a high-resolution display with low latency, so you can see exactly what the drone is seeing in real time. The DJI motion controller lets you control the drone with your hand movements, which is a lot of fun and makes flying more intuitive. Overall, the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo is a great value for money and a great way to get into FPV drone flying. It's easy to use, safe, and produces amazing footage. If you're looking for a new drone to add to your collection, I highly recommend it. Here are some of the key features of the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo. Small and lightweight design for easy portability, built-in propeller guard for safety, up to 18 minutes of flight time, 4K video at 60 FPS with super wide 155 degrees FOV. DJI FPV goggles V2 for an immersive first-person view. DJI motion controller for intuitive hand-controlled flying. Here are some of the differences between the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo and the DJI Avata FPV Combo. The Fly Smart Combo comes with the DJI FPV goggles V2. Number 1, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight and foldable drone that weighs less than 249 grams, making it legal to fly in many countries without the need for a license. It features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that can shoot 4K video at up to 60 FPS and 48 MP photos. It also has tri-directional obstacle sensing and OPAS 4.0, which help to keep the drone safe while flying. The DJI Mini 3 Pro also includes a variety of intelligent features, such as focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, and time-lapse. The DJI RC is a new remote controller that is specifically designed for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It has a built-in 5.5-inch 1080p HD display that makes it easy to see what the drone is seeing even in direct sunlight. The DJI RC also has a number of features that make it easier to fly the drone, such as gesture controls and a joystick. Here are some of the pros and cons of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI RC Pros. Lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to carry and transport. 1.3-inch CMOS sensor produces high-quality video and photos. Tri-directional obstacle sensing and OPAS 4.0 help to keep the drone safe. Variety of intelligent features make it easy to create stunning aerial shots. DJI RC remote controller has a built-in 5.5-inch 1080p HD display and gesture controls. Cons. Max flight time of 34 minutes is shorter than some other drones in its class. Max speed of 57 kilometers per hour is not as fast as some other drones. Price is relatively high overall. The DJI Mini 3 Pro DJI RC is a great drone for people who want a lightweight and portable drone that can still produce high-quality video and photos. It is also a good choice for people who want a drone with a variety of intelligent features that make it easy to create stunning aerial shots. However, the drone is relatively expensive, and its max flight time and speed are not as good as some other drones in its class. If you are looking for a lightweight and portable drone that can produce high-quality video and photos, the DJI Mini 3 Pro DJI RC is a great option. However, if you are looking for a drone with a longer flight time and faster speed, you may want to consider